Stop the sneezing, stop the itching. Start healthy living with Oregon Medical Centers. Are your kids enduring sneezing, itchy eyes, and rashes? Afraid to step outside during allergy season? Sick of allergy drugs that just don't cut it? Oregon Medical Centers has the answer. Our cutting-edge immunotherapy stops allergies permanently. That's right, no more covering up symptoms with drugs. Why let allergies hold your child back when they can enjoy a life full of outdoor fun and sports? Insurance companies may cover. Fill out the form below for a free consultation. Let's give your child the freedom to live allergy-free.